Well, good weekend, all. I'm Epstein, and here we are with your metal market wrap-up. And this wrap-up is for Friday evening, the 9th of February, 2024. Good weekend. I'm doing this early for you. Want to get it done because you know you're going to have Super Bowl. I'm going to be glued to the TV. Everybody is. Keep your eye on the metals. Metal markets have been in bear phases right on through, and that's because the dollar has been strong back to the 104 area, and you've been adding. The word is adding yield to the 2, the 5, the 10 year. So that has been taking place. You're also looking at energy prices rally. Keep your eye on Venezuela and Ghana. I think it's Guyana. And be very careful here. Venezuela wants to grab oil. And I'm not sure that it's theirs to grab. Will the U.S. get involved? Who's going to get involved? I mean, there's 700,000 barrels a day right now that is coming out that could be grabbed, go off the market. That's important to the oil market. The Saudis will love it. OPEC will jump for joy. Yeah, let them fight. Get rid of that oil. We don't have to do anymore. We'll reap the reward for it. And remember, they're all different grades, so don't get me wrong. Everything's a different type of grade that you want. Venezuela's got its hands full with the United States next week. I think that one of the key dates is February 16th, and they have not let the competition fairly run for government. U.S. has said they will re-sanction them if they don't do it. Let's see if we have the guts to do what we're supposed to do. So as I look at the markets, you can see how you've had a rolling top. You're down 1.2% for the month so far. It's only the beginning of the month. It's the 9th. When we look at the weekly chart, you were down 0.63%. I pointed out over and over that you might be wanting to make a run to the 18-week moving average of closes to see what the chart is made of. You can see how the market is just completely stalled out here. You actually get a bearish pattern if the market starts getting underneath the 2004 area. That would get scary on the chart. It could say, we're going to hit to the downside. And that downside, folks, could carry it towards the 1886, 1900 level if it gains momentum. The first thing it should do is try to support itself, literally right here, and you get a bullish setup. I love to give you both sides of the story. If you can get over 2064 without getting under that 2004, you then have higher lows, higher highs, a successful test of the 18-week average, putting you in line for wherever the Bollinger Band is to be making a run at that particular market. Momentum-wise, you were overbought. You've corrected past tense. You're no longer overbought. So when we look at the gold-silver ratio, silver continues to lose to the gold market as this market just keeps shooting itself higher. Silver has come down. It's into support of the 100 and 200-day averages. The green is the 100. The gray is the 200. But if it continues down, the 2186 area is a possibility. To negate the downtrend, this market's got to get over 2344 and a half. In the copper market, it's just plain bearish. I think the pros will be selling this market still, looking to see can they come down here. This all counts on China. China, if you'll notice, hasn't said one word. Their stock market's gone kaput. People don't want to own it. People don't want to invest in China. Foreign money staying away from China. Their policies just are not friendly business. They might be great for Russia. They might be great for Iran, but they're not friendly Western business. And they're seeing that impact them. In fact, as you know, India's stock market has surpassed them. That's got to be a gouge in the eye to President Xi. All right, here they are. They were the largest country in that region, and now big problems are shaping up for them there. The platinum market could make another run. If metals decide to let go here, it's going to be a flash in the pan working down to the Bollinger Band, and it could easily happen. You have to get over last week's highs to prove that you can't do that. Otherwise, there's problems. And you can see how the dollar right up here, you're at a big resistance area with it. So the dollar, part of the problem, let's face it, anything priced in dollars when you're 104 is more money. Now, you would think that holds beautifully, but if you're looking at the soft commodities, the coffee market's on fire, the cocoa market's on fire, where it's killing the markets are the U.S. grain markets because we're priced out of the market, especially as now South American crops are getting ready, and they'll be ready for shipment shortly as we get into the season shift. You do realize we're 8 weeks away from plantings in the United States for the new crops. So you put that all together, and you got to understand where you're at in the timing of everything. And we try to explain this all in a lot of the free offers that we have, be it our newsletters, be it option strategies that we put out, our chart of the day. Yeah, we do one, and we give you ideas of where markets might be headed, and we do them every single day, sometimes bonus charts. Free courses. Then we have our regular my charting courses. If you go to on the website under education, the free part is under free offers. You can move your cursor to the top there and get to it. With that, I'm Ira Epstein. Whatever team wins the Super Bowl, hope it's a great game. I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you all Monday.